The Tableau Desktop certification is one of the best ways to build credibility in the data field. This is especially true for those early on in their data careers. I took this exam earlier this year, and today I'm going to share with you what I did to pass the exam. Let's dive in. The Tableau Desktop Specialist exam is a proprietary exam given by Tableau. A certification like this offers far more credibility than a certification you might earn from something like an online course. If you want to learn more about why that's the case, check out this video I made on the types of courses you should pursue. Tableau recommends this exam to people who have at least 3 months of experience using the Tableau desktop platform. Now, that doesn't have to be 3 months of working experience. If you've spent a few months learning the tool on your own, you can absolutely pass this exam. In fact, I think this is a great way for those breaking into the field to stand out, to earn some more credibility. That's why I chose to take it. So let's discuss the structure of the exam. This exam is broken into 4 domains. Domain 1, connecting to and preparing data. Domain 2, exploring and analyzing data. Domain 3, sharing insights. And Domain 4, understanding Tableau concepts. One thing I was surprised to learn about the exam is that it's more theoretical than anything else. When I took this exam, there was no practical portion. Now, I read that at one point there used to be, but for some reason they did away with it. Maybe by the time you're watching this video, they've re-implemented a portion, but again, when I took it, it wasn't there. It was all theoretical. More than anything, they're testing your ability to navigate the tool. There were a lot of questions asking how to locate certain functions within Tableau Desktop or what they do. There's still questions related to chart building, calculated fields, basic data visualization principles, but make sure you're very comfortable with the ins and outs of the platform itself. Now, I definitely stand by Tableau's recommendation that you should have at least a few months of experience using the platform, so make sure you've spent a good amount of time creating your own dashboards prior to taking the exam. Even though the exam is largely theoretical, you still want to know how to practically use the tool and create dashboards. These are the topics you should be familiar with: qualitative versus quantitative data, dimensions and measures, discrete versus continuous measures, aggregations, live connections versus extracts, creating joins, creating unions, creating blends, renaming fields, creating aliases. Be familiar with every type of chart, date parts and date values, data labels, quick table calculations, adding filters, Tableau's order of operations, context filters, sorting and manual sort, parameters, calculated fields, trend lines, reference lines, bands, fonts, colors, viz animations, dashboard actions, tiled versus floating elements, creating stories, know the basics of the Tableau server, sharing a workbook, and creating a data source that uses multiple connections. That's a lot, but those are the topics you should know. I've taken a handful of Tableau courses, but honestly, this is the only one that I recommend specifically to pass the exam, and it's on Udemy. I took this one and it's fantastic. The course does a great job of telling you exactly what you need to know to pass. Doesn't waste any time on fluff material, it gets right to the point. He gets right into it and breaks down every concept you need to know to pass this exam. And he breaks down these concepts based on material from previous exams. There's also a series of practice exams you can take as a follow-up that are also hosted through Udemy by the same guy. Within the course, he'll also recommend a number of Tableau resource pages that you should also be familiar with. And I'll have a link to this specific course in the description below. So there you go. The Tableau Desktop Specialist exam is a great way to earn credibility, improve your knowledge with the tool, gain some additional experience with it, and to really learn the ins and outs of the tool. Tableau does offer some other certification exams like the Tableau Data Analyst exam, and I might do a video on that in the future, but the Tableau Desktop Specialist exam is a great first step for anyone that uses the tool. And that's true for anyone at any stage of your career. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.